welcome back. So today I'm filming a Hobby Lobby haul. I love Hobby Lobby and I figured you guys probably do too. I know it's not makeup and I know it's not fashion, but I said, hey, before I put everything away and decorate, like, I'm gonna show everything to you guys in case you wanted one of these things. So before we get started, I know somebody's gonna ask me about my hat, and my mother-in-law got it for me at a little boutique. I'll try to find it online. I don't know if they have a website, but I think I've seen it on Amazon. I'll try to find it for you guys, but I know somebody's gonna ask me just to get that out of the way. Okay, let's start with the very first thing I fell in love with, and it's funny, I did like a little Insta story thing, and it was this little vase with a lavender stem in it, or arrangement. Okay, before you guys think this comes together, it does not. I kind of learned the hard way. I got to the cashier and the girl was like, "Cashier, please." She was like, "Ma'am, is that how you found it?" I said, "Yes." It was the very first thing I saw. It was on a piece of furniture with other little floral arrangements, and I picked it up. She goes, "Well, I sold a vase earlier and it did not have the lavender in it." I said, "I don't know, like, I'm being 100%, honest, like, that's how I found it." So she was asking somebody, and then they were like, "I don't know." She was determined, and this was so jammed in there that, like, even honestly, like, I thought this is how it came, like, it was like glued. Oh my gosh, it took her like a minute. She finally got it out, and she was like, "See, it says $3.99. Somebody probably put it in there." I'm like, okay. And the line was so long, I felt horrible. She said, "Well, do you want it?" I said, "Yes, like, it's $3.99 and it's half off today. Just give it to me. Like, I want it to look like this." Whoever came up with this was genius. And I just want to let you guys know, I felt bad because I posted it on Insta stories and I thought this is how it came, like, and it doesn't. So, I mean, this is only $7.99 and it was like 40% off, and then this is $3.99, half off, totally worth it. So, oh my gosh, I would have felt horrible if I came home and, like, one day, if I pulled it out to, like, clean it or something and I saw a price tag, I would have felt horrible, but I had no idea. But I loved it because, look, it has like the little worn detail on it and everything. But I just wanted to share that story because if anybody looks for it, it doesn't come like that. So the next thing I found was this little guy. I just thought it was pretty simple, and this was half off. So it was $14.99, but it was half off. So I liked it because it wasn't like fat, it was on the skinnier side, and it was tall. So I thought it was very cute. What to do was I found this too, and it's just a 4x6 frame, and I kind of wanted to put it like on the fireplace, like, next to each other. Oh my gosh, my dog. Like that, I just thought it was different. Or you could just put this anywhere, and it just kind of, it's like a little statement, even though it's just a photo, frame. So let's see, this was $19.99 and this was 40% off. And I found this super cute little sign, and these were 50% off, and it just says "Sweet Tea." I figured it'd be super cute on top of the cabinets, like the upper cabinets, where I have some greenery up there, and I thought it'd be really cute to just kind of put it up there. So I don't know, I'm gonna find a home for it, but I thought it was sweet, and it was $11.99, half off. So got that. Then, okay, this was like there were two things I did get that were not on sale. I used my 40% coupon on one, but this I didn't use my coupon on, but I was gonna get it regardless. I wanted it. And it was this cup, and it says "Top Knots and Espresso Shots." Like, I wanted this to be like my little work cup, you know what I mean? Like, it's just so cute. And it was like, when you walk in, you know how there's like a bunch of little sections, and it said 50% off, but the mugs weren't 50% off, and I just thought it was really cute. It was like, oh, the little girl boss section. and things for like your office table and, you know, little motivational quotes and stuff like that. But I thought that would be so cute. Like, how excited am I gonna be in the mornings, make my coffee and do my RNF stuff and make my schedule, my plans, and all that other stuff. Like, I just thought it'd be really cute, you know, and it says it on both sides, depending on, you know, it doesn't matter like what handed you are, it still says it, and then you can even look at it when you're sipping on your coffee. I just thought it'd be cute. So, all right, so the other thing that I found, you know, I've been still like searching for a good wreath, and I really like how those, I don't know, was it like a basket, you know, just like a little wooden basket, and you put the wreath in it and you put it on your fireplace or you put it wherever. I've kind of been into that, really farmhouse looking. I kind of wanted to do something like that for this fireplace, so I'm going to play around with it. But I found this little wreath and I love the color because it's like a sage. Oh, I know, like, guys, please bear with me. Like, I know my phone can drive you crazy. Like I mentioned, like, my lighting ain't the greatest because I'm on my phone and I have to use natural light, and sometimes my sound goes in and out. I don't know why. Like, I hope it doesn't bother you, but there's like nothing I could do about that. So one day I'll get another camera, don't worry. But I do love this light green color. I have an obsession with purple and this color. Like, these two just go together so beautifully. I'm obsessed with that color combo. So this wasn't like super duper green. That's why I liked it. It was $19.99 and I used my 40% off coupon on this. And my plan was, I found a little basket thing and then I couldn't decide and Eric picked this. So I wanted to put, you know, kind of like put a little nail in here and just kind of do this number, and then probably put it on top of the fireplace or hang it like in our bedroom or something. I'm not 100% sure where I'm gonna put it yet, but I thought that would look really cute. And this was half off and it's $34.99 originally, and I've been eyeing this for a while and I just could not decide like what to do with it. And then it just like dawned on me, like, put the wreath on it, you know? So I had to have it. So got that. So if you have little kiddos, we love these little baseball tees that they have for $5.99 and they're 30% off. So I picked up a gray one and I picked up a red one, and we have black ones already, but I just love these. They wash so good and they fit great. So I just figured we needed a couple more of those. Got some little gift tissue when I send out my thank yous. Sometimes like I wrap up a little gift and all that stuff. So I needed some more of those. Decided like I wanted to wake up and use my cup, but I wanted to show you guys first. Oh, and it's $9.99 by the way. So now I'm gonna go make my cup of coffee. You guys don't even know how obsessed I am with it. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys liked this little Hobby Lobby haul. And then this is the shirt I showed you guys the other day. The Treasure and Bond tank top. So see, it's like, it's form-fitting and it's pretty, and I did take the other two Madewell tanks back. I tried them on again. So you know what, I'll give them another try. And going back, girlfriend. Like, I don't know what happened there. So anyways, so I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I do have a few videos coming up soon that I have planned, and I will get to them. I've just kind of been slacking. I got kind of busy, but yeah, so stay tuned for those, and I'll see you guys later.